Hello everybody, it's your friend Freddy, and I just got my mechanical keypad, so I wanted to do a little unboxing video, quite literally unboxing, uh, so I guess we should get started. If I sound a little congested, it's because I am sick, and yeah, so as you can see, it's just a normal box. I took out the packaging that it came in already, because, well, one is just normal packaging, and I don't want you guys visiting my house. No doxing, please. Okay. So, and yes, I'm holding this. I'm filming this on my phone. So don't mind the shaking. So as you can see, I got some keyboard switches, which these actually look really freaking cool. Okay, so we got the clicky blues. I got some blacks. So these are harder to brush, and I think these are tactile or linear, my bad. Then I got some silver speeds, and some silent reds. For those who don't know much about keyboard switches, basically there there are three types of switches. You got your what are like normal keyboards are usually linear switches, and if you get a mechanical keyboard, they usually come with Cherry MX reds, and so each switch, they feel different. I guess that's literally it. So let's say this one, for instance, Cherry MX blues. These they're called clicky switches, or what's the word? What's the word for it? Clicky switches, yeah, clicky switches. And so I don't know if you can hear it, but as you can hear, when you press it down, it makes a clicking sound. And these are tactile. So these are also these are blacks, and so what these are is they're harder to press down than normal switches, and they feel different too. These are linear switches as well, so it's like what would be on your normal keyboard, except these are just easier to press. And same with these just don't make noise. So let's get the keypad itself out. So, glare, no. Here, there. As you can see, it's a single layer of bubble wrap, and I may need my scissors for this. Give me a second. Alright, I have returned with my scissors. Let me cut this open with one hand. Give me a second. Okay, there. I opened it. So, sort of. Please, come off. Please. There. Okay. Okay. Now the bubble wrap is open, so we can take out the package itself. And as you can see, it looks freaking sick. I love the design on this. The little freaking cat girl, that's adorable, bro. That's adorable. Okay, and there is actually some plastic around this as well, but hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. I can just normally take it off, please. Okay, yeah, I think I can. Awesome. There we go. Sealed. There we go. Take that off. No more plastic. So, better view of it, I guess. There we go. The back. And now let's take the thing itself out. Okay. So as you can see, it comes with this little manual. It is in Chinese. I cannot read this. But thankfully, on the back you can, because it's in English. Very cool. And we got the actual keypad itself, which is right here. It's a little, pretty small. Look at that. Freaking epic. That's sick. Look at it. That's awesome. And I ordered the black ones. As you can see, it's black. It looks awesome. It comes with this sticky stick. So this is actually what anchors it, I guess, to the table. Or to my desk, which is over there. To my desk. I will have to put it on later. It comes with this to hook it up to your computer. It's a USB. Looks like it comes with, what is this? Keycaps? Are these keycaps? Keycaps, look at that. Extra keycaps. Or clear ones. And, oopsies. No, don't go all the way down into the, okay, hold on. Jeez, please no. Okay. There. And it comes with this. This is a switch remover. So when I go to replace the switches or change them out with these, I will use this. If I can figure out how to grab it, oh my goodness, please. Yes, very epic. And here, it's a little like lanyard. So this is so I can take it around with me wherever I go. I just clip it onto here, which I probably should do right now. But yeah. So I guess I should like take everything out and present it in a cool way or something. There. There we go. Okay. Very awesome. Okay. There we go. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.